In the Polish town of Wrocław, it's 1980 all over again. They've come here to celebrate that fiendishly addictive, multicoloured puzzle. And not just to celebrate, but to compete. Just how do you crack the Rubik's Cube?
You
have to think fast and think ahead. Then, with time, you get the speed in your fingers.
More than 300 people from 26 countries competing against each other and the clock. A blast from the past, still much loved today.
Very popular in the world. On an average year, we sell maybe 7 million just cubes. So not the rest of the other products, just the cubes. So that is still a very, very large amount. Some years it's more. And at the moment, it is very, very popular in Latin America and India and Russia. Surprising.
Not easy enough for you? Why not try doing it blindfold? And who will become the European champion? That's a puzzle that will be solved on Sunday. Tim Allman, BBC News.